Not now, Maria.
Oh, it is Michelle from the Resistance.
What does she want?
Well, how do I know? Come on, come follow me. Michelle? Michelle, where are you hiding?
I am here. Now listen very carefully. I shall say this only once. I have good news. I have come here to collect the British airmen. I expect you will be very glad to get rid of them.
You can say that again.
I don't suppose she will.
Further instructions will be sent to you by secret messenger, disguised as a simple farm worker.
Why do I need further instructions? I thought this was the end of it all.
You forget your position. Your humble cafe is the headquarters of the organization to assist escaping airmen, to add explosives, to pass messages, and to organize sabotage.
It is all happening here.
I hope you'll tell people who want to marry you the sort of trouble you can get them into. It is like getting into bed with a time bomb.
I have hinted at it.
I expect it put them off.
Oh, they cannot wait to light the fuse.
It is Yvette. Maria! Oh, does nobody hear that?
Shut up, you silly old bat! Do you want to wake up the whole neighborhood? Get them down.
I am weak. I am feeble. I want to see my daughter married before the good Lord sends an angel to take me away. Oh, my God, already they've come for me. Oh, 2 of them. Oh, I must be more important than I thought. Why is that one carrying a candle?
Because where you are going, it will be very dark.
Do not frighten my mother like that. It is the airmen, Mother. We hid them while you were asleep.
Oh, that's it. I'm going mad. I am seeing flashing knobs.
It is the radio! Quick!
What is happening? Oh, my God.
Hello, Nighthawk. Hello, Nighthawk.
Allo, allo, this is Nighthawk, receiving you loud and not very clear. Pass your message, over.
The flashing bed knobs are not reliable.
The flashing bed knobs are not reliable. Get the code book. What does that mean?
It means we have been trying to get you for 3 days.
My wife's mother does not understand flashing knobs. Over.
Hold on while we try to decode your message to find out what it means.
It means my wife's mother is a silly old bat who does not understand flashing bed knobs. Now pass your message, over.
The loved ones will be carried away in a chariot.
Even in heaven, they know about my bad legs.
This means the plane is coming tonight to pick up the British airmen. I say, chaps, there's a plane coming for you tonight.
Ho, wacko!
Well, get a move on. It's Toodle Pip and back to dear old Blighty.
Good.